Hey everybody, Genia, Zakka Workshop. We just got these really pretty samples from Dory Troutman at Red Feed Sack on Instagram. She sewed some samples for us and is using the Tilda fabric that's coming out like I think in February or March. It's the Jubilee. And then also it combines, I think they have a basics fabric line, which is like the dots, but this is the Jubilee. And anyway, this is our pattern for the stylish Sewing Caddy, but she just did such a beautiful job on this one. I love the details on this one too, just the combination of the Jubilee line with the basics line, like even on the inside on the lining, and then details that actually aren't even included in our pattern, like this great little bit of trim here that just like separates the two color schemes. It's just like really well done. Love it. They're so pretty. And it's, so it's our stylish Sewing Caddy with the Tilda fabric.